you will see the life, when you will get the experiences of the life, you will get to understand about the good platforms and the bad platforms on phone. So I want to say to guardians also that they must explain the bad uses and the good uses of the phone. Do you know why? Because as I told you right now, that you don't understand everything whatever happening is on phone. Okay, if you are watching lectures like when I use phone, I only do classes of mathematics or such things, whatever I am interested in. But if you will use phone, what you will see, if you don't know, I'm not saying that I know, some person may know here, but if you don't know, then what happens, you will get to do another thing, which can be bad for your age, okay? So you don't have to do that, and guardians are mainly, they are responsible for that, because I want to say to guardians that if they are there is a YouTuber who once did a research where he said that today 80% of the children in India, because India was not so digital at that time, but now 80% of the children in India doesn't sleep without phone, watching phone. Do you know what? Their screen time is over 20 hours. If any person, any child, any child less than 10 ages must not have a screen time less than 4 hours. But today in India, 80% of the children have more than 20 hours screen time. So this is what we have to reduce. Okay, by saying that we have to reduce the screen time, we cannot reduce it. Okay, because they don't really know what's the screen time, what they are attached to. They are like today, when I was walking on the road, I saw a boy who was doing like this without a phone in his hand. Why? Because he is stuck into that. Like phone is what? It's like a cage, and it has trapped all of us. And how it has trapped? Because it has platform which can make us, really attraction, and we are attracted towards that. Because I don't think, as I told you, so guardians are mainly responsible for that, and you all have to take this as a good responsibility. And I see that our children are not hearing me properly because the sunlight is so good. I thank you all of us. That's why I want to say.
हेलो 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 थोड़ा उसको बढ़ाओ तो पर सबसे किनारे वाले नो एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट हाँ हेलो थोड़ा कम देखिए ये बच्चा को मैंने कोई तैयार होकर आने के लिए नहीं बोला था, मैंने जस्ट एक्सटेम्पोर ये बात की आपसे। ये तभी मुमकिन है जब आप एक अच्छे पाठक हो सकते हैं। आप जब तक मोबाइल से देख करके और कंटेंट पढ़ करके ये क्षमता नहीं आ सकती। इस क्षमता को इस लेवल तक लाने के लिए केवल किताबें, केवल पढ़ने का जो अपना पुराना तरीका है वही ला सकता है। इसलिए